then you get the full effect. We're just coming to Soho. We're meeting Michael's family for brunch. It's 11.
It's lunch.
Yeah, this is lunch for us. Well,
it was at dinner time than breakfast.
Yeah. Michael went and did you do a big session or medium?
About 20, bit of running, bit of eggs. Got a bit of a sore glute, you know.
Michael's got the smallest bum in the world, everyone.
Yeah, there you go. That's something you didn't know that you do know now.
I woke up, I thought I felt a bit ill. I just got no sleep, I couldn't sleep. I had too much caffeine yesterday, I think. And I had 4K to do, I wasn't going to do it. Then I realised I wasn't a pussy, and I did it. Here we are.
A few things on today, but main thing is open doubles tomorrow. That'll be this video. Big time inbound. So yeah, looking forward to that. So yeah, I'll follow along with Dave. Because the last vlog popped off, come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Morning, on the way back to the event for the final time for open doubles this morning. Pro. So got around an hour and a half until sending it. So time predictions.
58:24.
58:24. If I got 58:24, I'd be very upset.
48:24.
48, fucking hell.
I think I'm laughing because that was so fast.
I'm gonna go 49, 48. 48's probably pushing it. 49. SUB-50.
World record, baby!
Oh, wasn't recording. How was it?
World record, baby! He absolutely fucking carried us.
No chance.
He's gonna see he didn't, but he did. I should have done so much better, but he carried
Came
us.
for the world record, we got the world record, that's all that matters.
That's it. First place world record, 15 seconds off SUB-50, so world record, baby. That was very painful. He put us in an absolute hole from the start, but I think for the first time for racing together,
It's not bad, is it?
I was running around with this man from Glasgow. He was like, so what was the last time together? I was like, the bet yesterday.
Where do you reckon we could go quicker?
I think we could go, I reckon we could push the runs a bit more.
Yeah, I thought, when I was cutting the runs, I think they're only like 10 seconds faster than my solo.
But obviously,
So-
we both raced on Thursday.
Yeah.
So that'll probably play a toll on it.
Nah, 100%. 100%.
So I reckon we can push the runs. I think the sled didn't move as easy as I thought they would. So I think honestly there's definitely room on the sleds. They didn't move as quickly to the places there.
Nah, we'll do it again.
Your push was really fast, your pull was fast.
Right. Okay.
Balance.
Yeah. I was hurting on the pole. I recovered on the row.
Yeah.
But you took a big chunk of that. I think you've done a lot more. And I slowed right down towards the end. I was like starting to cramp up my legs. Well, we got what we came for. The only thing we didn't get is the 50, so.
We'll have to wait till then.
But that's fine with that. Got to take them.
Take the win.
Second overall.
The second overall, was it?
I think so.
Oh yeah, because obviously those two beats.
We've got age category, guys. That was very close. Yes. Yes, London. That was it for your HYROX.
Goods collected, got the white flag, another one for the bank. I think the guy said that we didn't actually break the world record, but I think they couldn't, pretty sure we did. I think they just couldn't confirm it, which is fair enough. We checked against the last time it was broken and we'll beat that by 40 seconds. So yeah, age group 16 to 24, it is a new one. How long it'll stand for, I'm not sure, but you can only beat what's in front of you. But yeah, successful weekend and a little while to the next one, but overall, I would say big win. HYROX Excel weekend done. Pro solo, tick, big PB, second place, open the balls, world record, age group, buzzing with it. So yeah, another few solid weeks of training and then we'll race again. But for now, back to training. World champs, coming for it. See you in the next one.